Today, we're gonna be showing you how to install your front seat covers onto your SUV. First step is you're gonna wanna go ahead and opening up that package. Then you can take out your front seats. Your front seats will look like this. They may come in a plastic wrap. You'll have a front top and a front bottom. We'll go ahead and start with the front top. If you're not wanting the extra lumbar support, you can go ahead and remove it inside this zipper right here. Unzip the zipper and remove the lumbar support. First step is you're gonna go ahead and pop that headrest off. Then on this front seat, you'll notice they are labeled front driver and front passenger. The idea is that you want the zipper on the outside of the seat. You'll wanna unzip that zipper, then you can slide it down the seat. Depending on the type of SUV you have, it may be a little bit tighter there for you. Another thing you can do is move the seat forward to give you more room in the back of the seat. Just really pull it down like this. It also helps to lean your seat back a little bit while putting this part on. Then we're gonna go ahead and put these two wheels right like this through the crease. The idea is you want them to come through the crease like this and then turn sideways so they don't come back out. We'll be able to readjust them on the back side in a little bit. Then we can come around the back here. In the back here, you're gonna wanna button all three of these buttons just like this. Now, you'll notice they don't necessarily perfectly line up. You'll have to readjust the seat as you go. But a good tip first is to tuck the fabric underneath the plastic headrest holes just like this. Should look something like this when you're done. You can then readjust the seat as you need. These seats have not been on a vehicle before, so it takes a little bit of wiggle and use of the seats to actually be able to move them around how you want them. Then you can go ahead and zip that barn door. If you have a little excess here, you can go ahead and tuck that back into the plastic. We're gonna then take our bottom piece here. You'll notice we have the side straps on the side, as well as our buckles. We'll undo our buckles here. You can move your seat back again to give yourself more room. We're gonna slide this bottom section on. While doing that, we're gonna make sure that we have our buckles and straps like this, and then keep our wheels back like this. Slide it on, and then take your wheels and put them through the crease just like you did with the top piece. Again, we can readjust them on the back side. We'll get to that in just a second. We'll then take our front or back straps, put them through the crease. We then wanna make sure our seat is all the way back. We'll be able to readjust it a little bit later with our side straps and our front straps. Should look something like this for now. Move our seat all the way forward again. Coming down around to the back here, most vehicles are gonna have this felt lining right here. It is just hooked on or zipped on the bottom here. So you have to figure out what you have and then reach underneath and unhook. Once it's unhooked, it should look like this. We're gonna make sure that our wheels are like this, sideways, so that they don't fall back through. And then our strap should look like this. All right, now for this side straps here, your vehicle might allow you to tuck it in naturally without using these side straps. If that's okay, you can do that. You can still use these side straps to give it more security. For these side straps, we're gonna be sticking this in between the plastic and the actual seat. You can either do this with the zip tie coming through like this, sticking it all the way under the seat. Otherwise, another tip you can do is simply drag it up to the front and go like this. Now, what we're gonna be doing is taking our straps and actually going through the side straps like this. That's gonna hold this side in. We're gonna do that with the inside as well. Then you'll come around the back and we'll go from there. As you can see, I'm going through the elastic straps just like this. It should look like this. Another tip, which I need to fix on this side actually, it's gonna be to go above all of the things underneath your seat. So when it's done, it should look like this. It's gonna hold that side in and we'll buckle it later, but that's what it should look like for now. Then we have to do this inside as well. All right, then after we do that, we're gonna go ahead and push our seat forward to give us more room in the back here. We're gonna have to reach under and grab those straps. So we'll start with the left side here, buckle it together, and then we'll wanna cinch it tight, just like this. We'll do the same thing on this side. Cinch it tight. Then we can go ahead and put our felt back by hooking it underneath. All right, now, once you have the side straps in, you can go ahead and tuck the side of the seat into the plastic if it is long enough to do so, depending on the vehicle that you have. This one is long enough, so we will tuck it in to make it look nice and conformed. Once that's done, it should look like this. Next, we're gonna go ahead and grab our headrest and put the headrest on. For putting on the headrest, I recommend putting the actual headrest on, like so, and then putting the cover over the headrest. You then can adjust to make it nice and even on the actual headrest there. It should look something like this. You can work the wrinkles out by pulling it to the side and then pushing it down. You have now successfully completed your front seat. You'll repeat the same processes on the other side. If your seat has some small creases in it like this, you can use a hot rag or a steamer and rub them out. When you're done with both front seats, your seat should look like this. If you have any questions about the installation process or anything else, give us a call at 763-334-3581 or email us at info@seatcoversolutions.com.